The full super blue moon in August 2024 will be in the sign of Aquarius. This moon phase brings to us energies of innovation, community, and humanitarian efforts, encouraging you to think outside of the box and connect with the collective. It's a great time for setting intentions related to social causes, friendships, and embracing your individuality. The intention of this meditation is to help you connect with a collective consciousness to bring higher vibrations, healing, peace, and love to Mother Earth and all her inhabitants. Let's begin. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down undisturbed. Now close your eyes, and we'll be taking several deep breaths, inhaling deeply through your nose to the count of 4, allowing your belly to expand, and exhaling slowly out through your nose, also to the count of 4. Let's begin. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. And exhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now breathe naturally and visualize roots extending from your body into the earth, anchoring you deeply while allowing you to draw up Mother Earth's warm and nourishing energy. Now place your hand over your heart and feel your loving heart's gentle, life-giving rhythm. Focus on your heartbeat, having gratitude for what it does for you, recognizing that your heartbeat is the connection to all living beings. With each heartbeat, visualize love and compassion radiating from your heart with every breath you take, creating a warm glow within you and all around you. With each inhale, imagine this loving energy expanding inside you. And with every exhale, feel the loving energy expand outward and out through your being. See and feel this energy filling the room you're in and beyond. Feel it reaching out throughout your house. Now it's reaching your street, your block, your city, your state, the whole country you're in. And feel this warm, loving energy expand all over the world. This warm, loving energy that expands from your chest is now bathing the earth and infuses this warm, loving energy through and deep into the soil, giving nourishment back into our Mother Earth. As your energy expands, imagine it connecting with the hearts of others, creating an interconnected web of love and light. Picture a vast ocean of light representing the collective consciousness. You can see this image above your head or inside you. See it shimmering with colors of peace, love, harmony, friendship, and healing. Now, imagine yourself as a drop in this ocean, contributing your unique energy to the collective. Feel the support of countless others joining together in this intention. You are supported. You are loved. You have a place in this earth, and you have a purpose. Now silently or out loud, express your intentions for peace and healing. You can say things like, I contribute my energy to the collective consciousness to promote love and peace. I send healing energy to Mother Earth and all living things. I envision a world filled with harmony, compassion, and understanding. Hold your intention as the high vibration of the 432 Hz frequencies imbue your energy field, your thoughts, and your physical body, giving healing where healing needs to happen. Visualize this collective energy flowing down into the earth, nourishing and healing Mother Nature and Mother Earth. Imagine it cleansing the waters, nourishing the soil, and purifying the air. Picture Mother Earth smiling, embracing this wonderful, beautiful energy, and responding with vibrant life and peace. Spend a few moments in silence, allowing the vibrations of peace and love to wash over you and the world, and listen to any messages or insights that may arise during this connection.